Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title guys Oppo phone guys, phone power off and restart guys. How can we set schedule time? Friends, you want to schedule guys your power off and on your Oppo mobile. So how can we schedule today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting. So after on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone system setting guys, click on guys your phone system setting guys, tap on system setting. Since you can see guys this phone schedule power on and off setting guys, we will tap here. So friends, you can see guys auto power on guys, you want to on you can off, and guys you can on from here, and guys you can set time from here. Auto power on guys, automatic your phone will on. As you can see the 7 hour and minute guys, you can adjust and you can change from here. Auto power off guys, you can change from here guys. This timing from here guys, you want to change, so guys you can change from here. So like that guys, you can schedule guys your phone will auto power on and auto power off guys, your phone will auto power off, and guys 7, then guys your phone will power on automatic. So like that guys, you can, and you can set guys your phone schedule time, and guys you want to off guys, you want to stop, so you can stop from here. So like that guys, we can schedule guys power on and off in Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.